Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And guys, I have here the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I'll be showing you to activate um, the time management feature on Instagram for the iPhone. Now, of course, because the iPhone it's slightly different and of course you might not be able to find a setting. So of course I'm going to do a separate tutorial here on the iPhone. All right, so in order to activate the time management, so as to give you a set amount of time for Instagram that you can set in case you're using it too much and you want to control your usage. So go ahead and launch Instagram. All right, so go ahead and launch Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, make sure you're on your profile, which is in the lower right. And of course, you're going to tap on the three lines, upper right. Now, once you do that, you're going to go to the section here and you're going to see this section here. We're at the top and it says how you use Instagram. Go to time management. Now, very important. For the first time, it might not be in this section. It might not show that option. So what you want to do from here is go down. It's sometimes time management is in this section here at times. All right. If it's not here in this section, check all the sections beneath, especially right here that says who can see your, I think it should be the second section here that says who can see your content, or even below. So it's there, but until the first time you click it, it will not appear here. That says how you use Instagram. So only when you select it from below, one of the sections from down here, simply check all of them until you see time management. Then later on it will appear in this section here. So go to time management. Once you're here, you're gonna go and say daily limit. And what you want to do here, as you can see, this is the usage pattern. We're gonna say daily limit, and we're gonna set this to the set times here. All right, so in this case, I'm gonna say 15 minutes, and that's what I'm gonna choose as the time frame to use. So 15 minutes. So you can see it says on, and I've set it to 15 minutes. So in roughly 15 minutes, it's gonna tell you when you have reached your daily limit, and that's 15, more than 15 minutes. All right, you can always come back in here and turn the feature off by selecting off. All right, so let's give it some time to activate. All right, guys, so it will pop up and tell you in a message whenever you're browsing that your time limit has been reached. On these devices, the iPhone, it's a little bit more subtle. It's just a small pop-up, so that's about it. You can always continue browsing or adjust the feature by turning it off. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.